I was shocked when I went out there as an installer initially. You don't think that St. Cloud, Minnesota has huge things to offer. I didn't realize how working for a private company, how they would reward you, how they would take care of you as an employee. Not only with their benefit packages and the pay and the opportunities for advancement.
I love the variation and the fact that I get to see different parts of the country and work with so many customers.
You know, got to go to Hawaii a couple times and Canada, and yeah, it was good times.
To be in different parts of the country all the time, to meet different people and different personalities and different cultures, and learn so much about this industry and our machines and what we do. I didn't know that that was going to open so many doors for me, but it did.
I enjoy the fact that I get to go out and help people all over the country in different scenarios.
In my 7.5 years at Park, I have been in 5 different positions. And with that, my drive, my desire, Park saw things in me that I didn't even see in myself, and were able to just help me to spread my wings and reach out to step outside of my comfort zone for opportunities that were there and were presented in front of me.
Park really understands that if you want quality output, you got to treat your people right and you got to give them time to get their heads straight outside of work.
I think the leadership team and the way that they present themselves to the rest of the company, the way that they respect us and talk to us and listen to us, and the way they communicate with us about where things are at, it's just a culture that I think is second to none in anywhere that I have ever been.
I'm definitely happy I made the decision to work for Park.
I'm honored to work here.
So if you're thinking about a position, put in your application. There's so much opportunity at Park.